Hi there, my name is Kate and I'm product manager at Capture. And I'm sure you have already tried the solution and are looking for more awesome features. Well, you are in luck. I recommend you to install our Chrome extension. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how. First, click on the user avatar here and then get Chrome extension button. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. From there, click the button Add to Chrome. Once the extension is added to your browser, be sure to pin it so it's always easily accessible. This way, you will be ready to capture a video or screenshot with technical details such as console and network information, system information, and user actions in no time. Plus, you'll never have to waste time searching for the extension again. That's it. Super easy and 100% helpful. By the way, you can cancel that short call with your developer. You don't need it anymore because you have Capture now. Happy capturing! See you!